Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on your Casio F91W. This is going to work for all Casio F91W variations, as well as other 3-button Casio watches, for example the Casio W-86 and the A163W. So what you want to do is to press the mode button 2 times until you arrive here at the stopwatch. Now you have 3 ways of using your stopwatch. Now you can use the A button, so the button on the right, in order to start it. You can also press it one more time in order to pause it. You are going to see these 2 dots being frozen, meaning that the stopwatch has stopped. If you press it one more time, you can see them beeping, so flashing. That means that the stopwatch is currently running. This is going to be important for the next 2 ways. Now I'm going to stop it, and if you press the light button, we are going to reset it back to 0. Now the second feature is to record the lap time. So I'm going to press the A button in order to start. Now we are going to press the light button as the first lap is done. As you can see here, we have lap on the dial. And something very interesting is that you can see these 2 dots beeping, so flashing. This means that the stopwatch is running in the background. So at this point, the chronograph is still working. So if I press the light button once again, we have the total time. So as if the chronograph never stopped from the moment we started. You can keep on using it. So you can press the lap once again, so the light button, and you have the new lap time. You can write this down, then you can press the light button and the stopwatch continues. Now in order to reset it, we are going to press the button on the right, stop it, and then hit the light button in order to reset. Now the third option is to record the first and second place for 2 runners. So as the 2 runners start the race, we are going to press the start button, and when the first runner goes past the finishing line, we are going to press the light button, and we have here the time. As you can see, the time is still running. Now when the second runner will go past the finishing line, you are going to press the button on the right this time, and as you can see now, the dots do not beep. That means that the stopwatch stopped working. Now here on the dial we have the first runner's time, so we are going to take a pen and a piece of paper and note this time down. After you have done that, you are going to press the light button and you are going to see the time for the second runner. As you can see, 22 seconds, 0.76. Now if I press the light button, it is going to reset to 0. So guys, that was the video. That is how you use the stopwatch on your Casio F91W. If you want to arrive at home screen, you are going to press the mode button in order to arrive back at your home screen. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have a full tutorial on how to use all the features on your Casio F91W, so make sure to check it out. Link is right here. Now, once again, if you enjoy watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.